Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I want to introduce you to a herb which can cure a wide range of disorders. Many of you may already know about it. This herb is actually used to restore both health and beauty. This is the vetiver root. Actually, this we get from a grass called khaskhas grass. In Malayalam it is called ramacham and in Tamil it's called vetiver. This herb is used for various siddha medicine like Nilavimbu Kudineer. This herb is also used in religious practices like puja and karmas. Also in ancient times this root was used to make the screens of windows which help to produce fragrant and fresh air because the roots are very aromatic. This is also used in cosmetic and beauty product. Today also we get mattress made of this roots which is helpful for the arthritis patients, for the patients who are suffering from back pain. Also you can see scrub, body scrub made from these roots which is very commonly found in South India and you can also find in online shops. This helps to clean the body. It's a very good cleanser also. So in summer when the pitta dosha is very high and the body perspires or sweats a lot, this herb is of great use. It helps to cool the body because it has coolant action. So we can just take few strands of the root and clean it well and boil in water and consume it. It will help to cool the body. Also it helps to remove the fatigue and tiredness in the body. Drinking the water prepared from this herb also helps to improve the digestion. People who have gas trouble or any digestive disorder can also take this. Especially people suffering from gastritis can also get benefit from this from drinking water of this herb. People suffering from any skin ailment or who have liver ailment can also get benefit by drinking water boiled with this roots. Also, when we see that there is a change of climate, like when there are sudden bouts of rain in summer season, or when the climate suddenly changes, the body's immunity fluctuates. And this is when there is a viral outbreak, like for example chikungunya, or there is a viral outbreak of this chicken pox, or just now what we are facing. This root can also be of great use because the speciality of this root is that it also strengthens our immune system. So basically this root doesn't pertain to a particular system, but the entire body is replenished with this root. Especially we advise these patients, whenever there is a viral outbreak, I personally advise my patients to drink water boiled in this roots. That is the reason, one of the reasons why I am doing this video, because if you have this root or if you have a drugstore near you, raw drugstore, you can make use of this herb during this time. This root also is a detox herb. It helps to remove the toxins from the body. People who are having like any sort of wounds or ulcers in the body can also get benefit of this herb because it is also an antiseptic plant. Then in people who sweat a lot, along with drinking water of this herb, they can also soak this root in the bath water overnight and make use of that water next day for bathing. So this will help to remove bad odor and deodorize the body well. It's a very earthy and fragrant smell. It's really soothing to the body. Even for people who have this pimples or acne in the face, they can also make use of this herb just by soaking this. As I said, we have to soak this root in water just to make it softer, and then only the essential oils will come out of this herb because it has lots of essential components which is very good for your skin. So when you soak this overnight, the essential components mix up with water. The next day this water can also be used to clean the face or steam the face. So if you are acne prone or you have lots of skin problems or any sort of pigmentation on your face, you can make this use of this herb well. Then very simple beauty tip which I want to give you making use of this herb is cleaning this root well and you have to take another ingredient which is green gram. You all must have known it is also known as moong dal, green gram. So you have to take one part of this and 2 parts of green gram and dry them well in sun. When it becomes very crispy and very dry, pound them both or grind them both into a powder. And that powder can be stored in a glass bottle and it can be used for cleaning your body, and also you can use it for daily wash, or you can use it as face pack for your face. Instead of soap also this mix can be used. People who have very bad odor in summer, very bad odor of their body due to perspiration or sweating, they can use of this mix for bathing, which will be of great help. Then another great use of this herb is preparing oil from this root. As you can see, it just looks like our hair strands. So it is also helpful in hair growth. So the oil prepared from this roots is a good hair stimulator. It also helps to prevent premature graying of hair. Equally, it is important to cool the body. When you apply the oil of this root, it helps to cool the body. People who are suffering from insomnia or disturbed sleep or any mental stress can also this herb, the oil of this herb is of great use. Also for skin also this oil can be applied, mixing with some other oil like coconut oil or some other oil you can apply on your skin also to remove pigmentation and to improve your skin texture. So that's all for today. If you get this herb, make use of this herb for your summer and also coming days, because it is a very good herb which we can use easily in our day-to-day life, and it doesn't cost much. Actually this we cultivated this one. It is very easy to grow also. A very speciality of this root is that after getting this root and cutting the roots from the plant, we can keep it as in a dry place for a long period. The fragment or the composition or the herb or the root, it doesn't change a bit. And even this one is a very old root which we had, and still the earthy smell and the aromatic smell is intact without any change. So definitely you can keep it, you can store it for a long time and use it accordingly. So hope this video was useful. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at info@siddham.in. Keep yourself immune and strong. That is all what we can do now. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and God bless.